Yo, what is up, fellow people of the internet? BVF Collection back at it again with another unboxing. Literal box, you know? So it is an unboxing. Today we got ourselves a Mugshot t-shirt from X's website. And I gotta say, this is a steal of a deal. Unfortunately, they don't know how to ship properly because there's a shirt in this giant box. So they probably lost a lot of money on the box. And yeah, steal of a deal. So even more money lost at their lost my gain, unfortunately. But let's get into it. Go ahead and open this bad boy. You know, I thought that this lady was gonna actually refund me because there was a lot of people looking at this, and I'm surprised that she actually fell through or came through and actually shipped it. Hopefully it's the right item. We shall see. And supposedly this is never supposedly this is never worn, so we'll see about that. The pictures made it look like there's no cracking or anything, so we shall see, though. We shall see. All right, here we go. Bada bing, bada boom, and the cow says moo. So far, so good. Here's a bag. Yep, this is it. Okay, cool, awesome. Heck yeah. This looks actually very clean. Let me take it out of this. How is this even? Cool, it's kind of gives me dead stock vibes. Oh crap. Guys, I just messed up. This isn't part of the original background. What am I doing? Oh crap, that's why there's stuff in here. From last video. Uh-oh. Go ahead and move that to the side. What am I doing? Lacking. Super lacking. But here we go. Here's the mugshot. Let's check out the condition on it. It does look clean. I don't see anything wrong with it. Very happy there. Let's go ahead and see if it's the right size. This should be a large, I believe. Yep, there it is, large. Now for the main question, is the hand cracked, ladies and gentlemen? No, it's not. It's very clean. Just get you to focus. Wow. Wow, a little bit of cracking right there, but that's like very normal. A little bit of cracking, very little though. I can't complain. This is actually an incredible deal. Very nice. Very, very nice. Very happy with it. Wow. Overall, amazing purchase. Thank you guys for watching. bvfcollection, signing off once more.